that shit so.
Why are we clapping? Oh, that's how today's going?
Have you ever even rode a pit bike?
Nope. Yep. Oh my god. Hell yeah! Oh, we all got pit bikes today! Where are they going? Oh, we're having a wheelie contest? I don't fucking... There we go. Whee! Oh, this feels like it's gonna be dangerous. Alright boys, we're out on pit bikes. We're going to jam around my trails today. We got a few things. I think we're going to go get lunch. I'm pretty sure we're going to go to the abandoned house and possibly play tag. Where do we want to go? Taking these boys off the rough trails. I'm up! This does not have the suspension of a big bike at all. Why is the front so washy? I about just died.
You about died?
Yeah, I feel like the front end has no weight on it. I can't steer at all. Alright, let's get it. Oh look, they're building a house there. Well, they're in a rude for a rude awakening when we keep riding, because that's the property markers right there. Colby, I'm gonna die today. I'm legit gonna die today. No! Boy just soaked me. Oh my god, this thing is washy. These leaves don't make it any better. Yo, this is so slippery.
Oh gosh, you ripped it.
Ah, I ripped my brand new extra tubs, dang it. Bro, I hit it and just went nope. We're good, keep going. I do better on big bikes. Alright, we're gonna go across the river now. See how many people got their feet wet.
That thing does not like the water at all.
I'll walk it across if I need to.
No, don't worry about it. Just don't like to go deep.
Oh yeah, I'm just crossing right here. I've already fallen twice, and it's not even my bike. Alright, let's ride, boys. Kobe just soaked Brayden. Boy thinks he's gonna outnumber us. Taking the top line. Over the hill, boy. Later, Brayden. As soon as Brayden tried to splash me and he's soaked, I'm like, yes! Oh, party pooper.
What happened? What's wrong?
What? It's flat? Already?
Yeah.
What?
Or I could run to my house and grab my other pit bike.
The KLX?
Yeah.
It's a good thing we got a backup bike. Yeah. I'm gonna die today. Go, 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 go. Oh, he's gonna soak me. I know where I'm going. I see you. Yeah, I can't do that. I tried once already today. I've already fallen. We've done lost Miller already. Miller's up over there somewhere. Alright, so we're going back to the house. Braden's going to run back to his house, which is only like 10 minutes away. Get his KLX. Where the hell did Miller go? His rim's just spinning inside of his tire. Yeah. Suspension on these things. Terrible. We are rocket ship, boy! Ah, bottom out. Okay, Miller. Braden, that flat don't look too hot. I want something to sit on.
The lawn chair?
Yes, sir. We rolling in luxury today. Oh, I should have grabbed a drink before we left. Hey, buddy.
Why did we do this again?
I don't know. What else are we gonna do?
Oh no, this is really bad. No, I'm sure.
I got a lawn chair. I'm good.
No. Hey, your first gear's about to go out. No burnouts. No burnouts.
What was our idea with this? Oh, there we go. This is more fun than riding pit bikes. Hold on. I don't want to throw a water bottle. I want like a full water bottle and throw it a street sign. Fucking dickhead! Boy getting sprayed in his truck. He's closing his sunroof. Yep, definitely. Oh, God. Marty's gonna be pissed. Glad I put my goggles on.
Wow.
Glad my fresh goggles are all spritey. Glad my phone's looking minty fresh. All right. One pit bike down and back to it. Come on, Miller. Dang, that thing's way quicker. I love my neighbors just looking at me. Oh, shoot. Oh, my God. Boy, man, just lost it. These things are sketchy. I kind of wish I wore jeans today. Alright, we need to get to the abandoned house so we can play tag. The homeless guy. We're going to the homeless guy's house. Oh, those are fresh signs. We're just going to ignore them.
You guys know,
What's up?
all this is private property.
Would they just buy it?
Yep, I did.
Oh, okay. How long ago?
2 months ago.
Oh, shit. I knew it was for sale. I didn't know they sold it yet.
Yep.
I knew the owner. I had permission from the old owner. All right, so you're cool. We cross real quick and stay out of your hair.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it, man. Well, that's upsetting because I had permission to ride all that 13 acres. Alright. Oh yeah, this hill climb that goes down and goes back up and we'll take that trail.
Yeah.
Let's go. Woo! Put it in neutral. Dang it. This went from first to last. Now I'm back in first. I gotta come through here with the Can-Am and clear it out. Woo! You got it, you got it, you got it! Oh yeah! Alright. To the abandoned house. Let's get it, boys. What the hell? Ah, this thing max like 30 miles an hour. Ah! Ow! Freaking briars hurt my legs. Honey, I'm home. Oh, you know it'd be so funny if I snuck in and I scared them.
Both doors are open.
So that just means people have been here. Look, somebody broke the glass door. Yeah, you can see the glass on the ground.
Oh yeah, they did break the glass door.
Dude, them briars with shorts, not the best. The homeless guy, I don't think is here anymore. If you're gonna break into somewhere, don't go breaking glass.
Anybody home?
Taco Bell? Oh yeah, see people, look, people have been vandalizing this place. Don't come somewhere. That's not nice. Oh, we never went on this side of the house. Huh. I never even walked over here.
That gas, bro.
Yeah. I don't like the, wait, let's try to, hold on, let's try to find a broom and broom this glass. Cause,
Yeah, you think there's a broom laying around here?
maybe. Alright. There we go, boys. Push your tires into each other, 4 ways. Yep. Alright, time to get a Moe's. So much for a pit bike race, more like a pit bike burnout session. Alright, let's get in front of this race, boys. What?
I broke my clutch lever.
What?
I broke my clutch perch.
Oh shit.
Actually, it looks like the bolt might have just came
Yeah, the bolt came out. I got bolts in my house.
Okay.
Take the shortcut. Woo! Alright. I think the boys are gonna go get some lunch now. Well, we gotta cross back over where we saw those people at, because that's the only way home. I guess I'll stop and talk to them if we see them. If not, just try not to be too loud.
Are we going there or what?
Yeah, I mean, that's the only way home. Just keep quiet. Yeah! I gotta figure out which way we're going. I don't go this way very often. Oh yeah, so we're going over Remote real quick. Not really a trail, it's more or less I'm going through the parking lot. close. Oh, come on, Millie, you messed up the squad deep parking job. Are we leaving our helmets out here or are we taking them with us?
In a minute. I'm wearing them. I got my I'm gonna take my gloves off.
It's all normal. They're street legal. Put your face mask on right now, sir. You gotta wear your face mask. Order here. We pay down there. What are you getting?
Nachos. Or queso and chips. Whatever the fuck, I don't know.
Do I want a burrito or do I want a quesadilla? Alright. So earlier we were riding in the truck with Braden and he threw a Sprite at us. So I got a cup full of water. When we start riding, I'm gonna throw it at him.
Alright, I'm assuming you guys You're fucking Darius. Yeah. Dude, you remember me? Yeah, bro.
So remember when we got hit with the Sprite? It's water.
You fucking will.
I fucking will. I will. No.
Yeah, this dude was the kid that was always doing fucking crazy backflips and shit in school.
Yeah. Wait, the best part, casually still holding his phone, just bloop. Boy, wildin' out here. Ready? Ah! The leaves make this so risky. Taking the outside line. Ah! Are we having a race around this? Alright, we'll start on the concrete. Alright, wait. We're going this way.
No, let's go this way.
Miller gets the inside line. Here, everybody got to put their tire up on the... Yeah. Alright, we're going around. First one back to the pad. Ready, set, go! Franklin just ate it! He just boxed me out! Dang it! Really have more faith in myself. Damn! Alright. We going again? Alright. Ready? Alright, wait, we're doing 2 laps. The second lap, you have to go on the top of the wall. Alright. Ready? Set, go. I don't know where Colby went. Ow! Ow! Oh, it's gonna be slippery! Ow! Victory, boys! I'll take it. Woo! Did you go up on the wall that first round?
Yeah, I went around the first up on the wall the first one? Yeah.
Alright, we done?
He's got a flat.
Alright. Oh shit. Let's go. Alright, no more wheelies in the street. The neighbors at the yard that we cut through is definitely looking at me. Alright, that's it for pit biking. Alright, seriously. We need help on MC Production Garage YouTube.
I'm half of your subs.
Because my boy makes some fire content for Mr. Braden Bryce over there. Over there.
Oh my
Braden
God.
Bryce, yeah.
So much fun.
Go follow us.
Oh,
Especially if you like cars and good pictures.